Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this session, we will discuss travel graphs. Travel graph is a graph showing a journey. So time is plotted on the horizontal axis. On this axis we have a time, horizontal axis, and a vertical axis we plot the distance travel. So the graph shows the distance in kilometers of a truck from point A at a given time. So this the vehicle is moving or truck is moving from one to this by covering distance in a particular time. So this is the information that is used of a journey. So similarly we have this exercise 24.2. Amit left home and went for a walk, stopping at a supermarket on a way and ending at his brother's house. This graph shows his journey. So at what time did Amit reach the supermarket, and how long did he stop at the supermarket? How far is it from the house to his brother's house? On which part of the walk did he walk faster? What was his speed on the first part of his journey? So let's solve this. And we have seen that at what time did Amit reach the supermarket? Amit reached the supermarket at 9:45, because this every distance is basically this is 9:35, 40, 9:45, 9:50, 9:55, 10, 10, 10:05, 10:10, and 10:15, 10:20. So at 9:45 he reached to the supermarket. And how long did he stop at the supermarket? He stopped at the supermarket for approximately 9:51 up till 0951, that is 6 minutes. So he stayed there for 6 minutes. And how far is it from his house to his brother's house? His brother's house is how much far? His brother's house is approximately 2 kilometers or 1.9 kilometers, approximately 2 kilometers. So on which part of the walk did he walk faster? So here in this time duration he walks faster, because in just 10 and 15 minutes he takes 15 kilometers. So he travel 1 kilometer in just 15 minutes. So this is the fast time, fast pace he walk for initially in first 15 minutes from 9:30 to 9:45. What was his speed on the first part of his journey? His speed was 1 kilometer in 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is basically can be converted into hours. So this is hours. 15 minutes, 1 hour 60 minutes, 6 minutes will cancel, and this 15 will divide 4, and then that appear at the numerator. So 4 kilometers per hour. So that is 4 kilometer per hour is the resultant. So this is 4 kilometer per hour, 4 kilometer per hour. So his speed at the first part of the journey was 4 kilometer per hour. The details are shown here. Second, Nasreen walked to town from home one day and her return on the bus. So she walked to town from home one day. So he reached to the town and one day, and her return on the bus, and she returned on the bus. So this is the return journey, and this is the one-way journey. So this is up journey, this is down journey. So at what time did Nasreen leave home? How far did she walk? How long did she stop in the town? This is the duration. And how long did the bus journey take place? So this is how long it take from this town to her house or home station. So this is question number 2. So this is let's solve this question number 2. This graph She started at 10:10. At what time did Nasreen leave home? At 10:10, because this is 10 and this is 10:20, so this is 10:10. And how far did she walk? She walked for approximately this much time distance. So this is 44.8 kilometer. This is 4 and approximately 5 is close to that. So this is 4.8 kilometer. And how long did she stop in the town? She stopped here in this duration, so from 11:30 to 11:30 to 11:40, so that is only 10 minutes. How did she stop in town? For 10 minutes. And how long did the bus journey takes? So bus journey takes from this 11:40 to 11:56, so that is only 16 minutes. So this 16 minutes for this return journey. Let's solve this. Third graph is in a similar way. It can be worked. So let's start with travel graph 24.2, and then let's solve this question number 4. Mr. Khan left home at 7:15 a.m. and walked the 500 meters to the station in 10 minutes, and then waited for the train which left at 7:46 a.m. and then waited for the train which left at 7:46 a.m. The train took 10 minutes to cover the 12 kilometer to the next station where Mr. Khan got off. He then took a taxi for 2 kilometers to his office, taking approximately 8 minutes. So draw a distance time graph to show this journey. So this we have to show all this detail in a distance time graph, and show time for 7 a.m. to 8:40 a.m. and use a scale of 2 centimeter for 20 minutes, and show distance from 0 to 15 kilometer and use a scale of 2 centimeter for 5 kilometer. So, and how long did Mr. Khan wait at the station, and at what time did they arrive at his office? So we have to show all these details here. So he took off at this and reach at this time. So draw it in 7 a.m. to 8:40, up scale 2 centimeter is equal to 20 minutes. So this is all plotted here up till this 20 minutes. So this is covered up till here to 15. So 0 to 15 kilometer on this graph, that is 15, and on the other side we have 7:15 to 8:45. So this is 8:45, and this is all plotted here. So details are all plotted from this to this, and for every region whatever is declared there we have plotted it, and this is the details of this journey. And we waited there for 10 minutes. It took 10 minutes to reach there. So from here to here the train took this much time, and finally he took a taxi for 2 kilometers. So we reach here 2 kilometers for 10 minutes. In the last we have seen this. Last. So this is all shown here. At what time did he arrive at his office? So this is the time where he arrived at the office. This is the time, and the time is approximately 8:06. 8:06. So all details are here, so it can be drawn here. And in the next session we'll discuss 24.3.